Okay.
Ehyiamu bia no wa ye bebubu aguo ye be se no but ye be man hyiamu na se omomra ombotaye ene omo nkyerɛkyerɛ be mo nsa afoforo de me gidie ni obi so giwedi a wonko nye se me giwedi nti obi giwedi enye eno ye kwase akasa se me giwedi me pa ba we me pa brantie me pa baba yi me pa papa we asem me pa so masiri pa obenti na asoso me yire ye kokko ezi se wo yire ye tuntum dia na che so onye oba saa na twi ne te medi abankwan ye nyina te compound house eti wo a obedi adwene nkra bia wonim nyansa tie kani bantie me badwen bantie me pese me di ton eti na mo amobedi dokoro ene fish bia no eno nye. Are you listening?
Yes.
You are not making sense at all. Me na me kuta nyame papa de wakat bia nkura nyame pa e nkura kasa. It is some of us will sit down and enlighten people and let them know say you are just talking and speaking selfishly. But to connect still or concentrate.
That's it.
Focus on the edge. Rebu owa. Ose ma menya mubu ntwitwa tro mu ni paso. And one thing that people should know say asofo twa ntropa. My asofo. Open ni pa wa ye trofo pa. We are trofo me ensan ba bia benya trofo odi kan. Aye sofo. Na dwene se wonya clout no de o kan bia nipa gidinti e ma ne twa tro mo. Nyame se nyame so ka na onyina ho ti asofo ebinom but be atoro gina pare asofo ne twa tro pa awia tro eni pa na nyina mu gidie ti na asofo bitimi ka se hairdressers for kra mo nko heavy me mpemu sika enso hairdresser be disika koto kokko anopa no ama sika na free kokko wura no aba mo bi da beto kora hin asofo ya kan ma ebi na de top tra o yire so yi hairdresser wura na e bi ko di dwan
not too much.
Their marketing strategy and the way they want to sell it. It does not make them special and exceptional.
Papa, me must see me Teresa. How Obesia ye? Jehovah bloody.
Jehovah bloody, no, yeah.
Then Papa said,
why in Nigeria about a movie that? First in Ghana movie, so will be a bay Abba.
Karishika,
Queen of demons, Lucifer, King of darkness.
No
quite understand the Canada and Fancy a whole. Yes, yeah.
Could be so by last burial. I know last burial.
Young I assume. We know. I don't want to condemn.
Okay.
And then your package.
Okay.
Okay. Wayaba na wayo. Go so ahonhom na nkasa tinimu no na aba.
Okay.
Jehovah blood ya bedru. Afuso no Pharisee aba. Say on Satan uses.
Afeni Matthias.
You nipa no hu se doma ba. Ya na wonsa na person obekasa.
Okay.
I saw the before akodem na wada na ne ho ba no. Yes. I'm wataba. I'm fish or dancium. Nipa fish. I was no Pharisee no back home. I have a catch them.
Wonderful.
Tell me, come, bro.
Wadaruma.
It is sanity.
And the old man is a Wadaruma. Me cross a road, Doctor Ho. Let me tell you tight here. Na a sign, Doctor Tosof, we are. What's the imagine? Say, Katait in Yano. A mammy Fini be because don't come out of the middle to Amitate.
Yes, I want you, sir. By lack of knowledge,
my people perish.
Only see jai, fatalities can be todokono. Once I make a sam, make some.
That's right.
And to jai this can uncle to your title, and my word, and shall or todokono, mascara could in it all. So we shall go. Waji. It is said the Unam Kajetiani are two bottom. Now, the Mika Cochi Machi will be okay, no so try what two bottom. Then far from my influence as I did Johnny.
Okay.
enti adwuma ni ho a wo be ye special amount because of say when to tight into so for papa when to tight na this can ba beto doko no when to tight this can ba beto yesu moja when to tight this can ko to so bolo enti wo beji wo ye there wo beji ska no eno ma na nye so for papa.
That's right.
A marketing strategy packaging. Mani enu mani hunu Yesu nchen ensore na tua tight no. Hunu Yesu nchen e wo mu. A marketing strategy.
Yes. God bless you. Yes. For the Matthias.
When the mission. Yes. O man na tiase.
O Matthias.
Opa. About room Saturday and Sunday. So me kase bi.
Saturday Sunday.
Do kase bi.
Eh achomota.
Akwase.
And on the 3rd. So no meba komasi. Mani na ihia me. On the 3rd na ye dwada kase a Satan. Nema awatogu awade masubia sunsun ye beto aka asa atom.
That's right. That's right.
On the 3rd. Saturday, Sunday there. E sunsun da ye huru nipa na ase akire mo de omonya. Nyame de ye die beba. Na mi si me sha me mpapo papa ba sore. Na ye na papa be huru me na ase oba huru mpapo e na papa.
That's right.
Acha ye 7.
That's right.
8 ma wie. 11:30 12 ma pom.
That's right.
Na mi so me ko fie ma ko ofufuo. Na ma di. We pon ya mo so mo ko ofufuo aye den.
Edi.
Nipa nya den.
Edi bida.
So remind John 13 na Yesu sensu gubo ro na tade de tawo sin na sene. E wo nkrofo na ho pepa ma wo mo. E ro be koso achimota.
Ebesi. And on the first voice am at.
That's right.
Wow.
You are on the 3rd na me call me all believers all night.
Okay.
Those who believe, let them say yes.
That's right.
They meet me in Kumasi.
Amen.
IPT life.
That's right.
Now they were na me catch them. Being a man of God, you need 2 things. You need power, money, and influence.
Okay.
Okay.
And what you have to do is for you to be a man of your words.
Okay.
Or a software.
That's right.
And don't rely on people's offering. It will make you become a liar and a demon.
Okay.
And by their works and their act, you can judge them. But I will not judge, I'll draw their attention.
Okay.
Also for be a waka them say, also for be a pageant to waka them. Stop being fool.
Okay.
Arise again and shine. A lot of people that are doing the work of God will see things going around. They will not address it because they are not the one that they want to channel.
Okay. That's right.
No money person can't send form so much 7 go do. Okay. But yeah, we can give you 3 years, 4 years, 5 years for you to channel whatever evolic that you want to channel.
Okay.
And we also use the 3 times 10 to answer you.
Okay.
To see to it, say we cannot break a gathering, but we will see to it, say the gathering will be established by its own way.
Okay.
Not to destroy us.
Okay.
And shemu bia no ye be bubu aguo ye be say no, but ye be ban shemu na say omomra ombotaye eno mo nkyerɛkyerɛ be mo nsa afoforo de me gidie ni obi so giwe di a wonko nye se me giwe di nti obi giwe di enye eno ye kwase akasa se me giwe di me pa oba we me pa brantie me pa baba yi me pa papa we asam me pa so masiri pa obente na asoso me yire ye kokɔ ezi se wo yire ye tuntum di a na kye so onye oba saa na twi ne te medi abankwan ye nyina te compound house eti wo a obedi adwene nkra bia wonim nyansa tie kani bantie me badwe bantie me pese me di to eti na mo amobedi dokoro ene fish bia no eno nye. Are you listening?
Yes.
You are not making sense at all. Me na me kuta nyame papa de wakat bia nkura nyame pa eye nkura kasa. If some of us will sit down and enlighten people and let them know, say, you are just talking and speaking selfishly because of what you want to achieve and what you want to eat and what you want to earn. You are destroying others to become somebody. So we are not going to attack personality, but we will attack your messages. That is my advice for today. And Obofour, I will fight this year. I will never fight anybody. But when you joke, I will use the message of God and I'll strip you naked.
That's right.
Because I'm the voice of the voiceless.
That's right.
And to be a young say, Oba say a fofro. No, the abaye will be no. Yet ya setim kwamu anya juma da.
Amen.
Amen.
Preach your own way. As you for women down there, Homeda. Oko tadi otivika so on Toma.
Yes, Daddy.
Nigidiano. Me met your case o me shop. But they don't condemn.
No.
Outside. Opa kobo video SDA for kase. Methodist in Roman Anglican. This doesn't bring chaos. No. This is my doctrine now. I'm telling you, sir. APC is a doctrine. Nature say, I saw be a condemn. I saw be a anya papa. If you want some,
okay.
Right. A throne in the day in every Satan. The church be a condemn in Humbiano. I allow them to cooperate on phone. Port to me no no. It took us sorry na yes, sorry beach now. And call Mohamunya. Now no I was so a young free one. One to the wise up.
Okay.
Obu so for Obofour. Me pena sem ti mekọ asomasi asore ene your life me kura me yin o ma e makonwa da ko bere mpon fa gimi anti se enko fie esa na wayi wadwena hye fish na akoto yenim ti men ko tena se ya sem ya kire mo yedu sa papa Obofour nya o se wanya ko ya wo ona tu ba ye no mfiri nyame usofo de ntia o kasa ne se onu se ncha me ba kire
okay ono
ye wo ya ba ifu ntinu wo kekam mamu nyini ni ada obache me na chese onche me enso ba kire nche I mean it ba kire no anche kura mama na num asama di ka pie wo defend one akatu okay na num asam na ye 3 okay oba defend one ma ba ye ho adwuma next month me nya nwie kura akatu akatu that's right the all kasa sen ko asori agina ba Yesu kasa no wakana num asam 3 we defend one akatu that's right maybe some Jehovah Shaddai okay. I don't know serve Jehovah Brody okay I'm telling you to catch yourself so for agina ba yisam so kasa bia mfiri nyame timi kani pa nyame no no free no na me free no
yes okay
me serve Jehovah Brody
one Jehovah Brody
me hu bi da sa Jehovah no on frame me o ko frame mo se wan ka so de sa
that's it
what you say me ti bi da nti sa do ye wo so sofo
okay
bere ntu adwene nhya miliki konkom nkotana so de mo se obi nkan kire wo se tete atempo aye batu ye nyina ya toro na de wo ka na ne kore me se bo jata te ase a anya dwuma da ana abo anu se wan hawa won se ne bon hwa mo akeka afi de wo twa fa ba bia nya ne twifa se you carry numbers ne twifa se wa toro no opese nipa gidi na atoro so kacha o read propaganda wo twa toro atoro be no kore and he is preaching Christianity propaganda.
Okay.
It's a serious planned propaganda. To what can't run us an Tony Patrim. It may take you a decade to heal it. Some will be healed, some will not be healed.
Okay.
Wow.
The ones in my life, did I say, was so for dear Baku Penawia? Miensa?
Yes.
I know you need password. Anything that you know that you're doing and you know is right, do it.
Okay. Wow.
Asori yetimi ton fish, ton Yesu moja, ton pada, ton die dibja gidigidi odi yade ko ejisika no. O need to me the capacity say authority a church ye tight. You don't even qualify. Shut up. Go church le be tight o me ton omo yire doko no. So fa me to pan no so ko ton na bontere. Aso ba kura nim.
Okay.
Aso for ma me be to cake. Enso ngofo na be je so akoton.
Okay.
No correct.
So ma me be indomie anwumre. Ya me ton na so dem nka se aboso pa nipa nkodi. It will take your money and be quiet and be silent and shut up.
Simple.
Make your promises to your church members. Remember musika ya adwuma. No meguo na ji omusika na kan bi manipa kakra. But don't tell them say you are more pretentious and you are more you are pretending to deceive them by destroying others. Deceive them by your own way, but not try to destroy others.
That's right.
That nipa na free tachiman sunwane sahwi baby aba. Fra omo akro mufuo betena ono mo mekansem na ada omo mra na ji omusika be omba men sa afofro. Because from those who don't have the capacity will be quiet.
Yes.
But some of us will give you the time for Ghanaians to know, say you are more bad. The time that I wanted to address this matter, now man phone him say, "Men are menye," and I'm called Shibem. Okay. Say, I will give you the hype.
That's right.
That's what you want. Because I'm not kind of bloggers and a fab blogging. mama odin ana ba gina ho de ntoma ehuru ko bonko ni fa na be twi ba gina simpie no so ana nipa hu awie it now your messages and your life and your doings and your act will be assessed.
That's right. Assessment abem.
Enti amanfo will assess you. No me de me no me no ba gina simpie so. Na ya check the oba see ni mo a check. Awan kwa kan obi na pese ogina me ko ho adwom to mo wi ansa na enipa wura wo dwumadie mu o kasa wo ne ye wabufuo wo dwe wo sikagie watoro wo suban wo honsem wo fisem wadamusem na o mawuram editam no nya hype na ne de be na eye bagikowu bagikoda bagikosu.
Wow.
If you may have the numbers and be happy like me. Because I have the numbers, I have the clout.
Oh.
Me more blaster that, but me see baby ya nipa ya dame.
Awesome.
Ntu so pese wonya that clout. No be nya be wie be manfo be ba be hwe de health to. Etu omu ni hwe obi ni bibi nche obi wonyam dwuma mu okrom ha.
Davida.
Office ni ye different. Minister of Agric.
Yes.
Why the lie?
That's it.
So ti gbe kro bi na ntebro fo na atie mi ampa chow. De ohwe agriculture afuo ne odi nuro be muguma afuo so no na djuma dey different. Minister abaya pa na wo hwe makonfa no kinyina akoso so different.
Okay.
Ka kwanya da hoyi. Okay. Ya oba no da ni e woda no a o minister of roads. Yes. Enso ni nyina no his excellency his royal eminence. Na na do na nkwa me wura ana appoint o mu nyina.
Kwasem.
Enti adwuma no obi aye ne de enti Greek minister ntimi nkosai minister of health. O ntimi nkosai na gi minister. Cause o ntimi nkasa odi koko ba me ya yam e de agukam amaka na tu. Kisa na gi minister ho yanka ni asam so na yefu asam so.
Yes.
Enti obi aye ne de na kokambo ma ya fre ni nyamdwuma. Ya fre na mbamuo. Enti o tran se me se wo mo. Omunye din na watem Jaisu. Hey, tiatiamu ni ade ese dia, bodamfo ya ade pa.
Kwasem.
Tiatiamu pa ko na di sofo. Chai akaka. Hey! No ya patese de. Nti tade. Odi wotwe ogogoro kura beti. Shut up over there. No kwasem no say, don't condemn tithe and sell kenke.
Okay.
Don't condemn tithe and sell sobolo. Shut up.
God bless you.
Bless you.
Who ni pa we aggressive. Ah, why you ready say? Akwa let me prepare where a meeting. Preparation goes for everything. Okay. You prepare financially. You prepare spiritually. You prepare technically. And you prepare firmly to meet he who that want to destroy. Okay. You don't just come out and attack. That's why I go back and I prepare well to meet such non-critical messages for it not to stay to destroy the work of God.
God bless you.
Nobody can lie. No lies this year will win. And no amount of attacks, no amount of money that people give to bloggers will scare us. Once we talk that we speak and become a spiritual law, right. I will see to Isabeka Sabendi Patia Kache Nipa say, as sorry say young court near Chessica Nipa Sia way on. That's right. Now yeah, the chat the one my sorry down. Did you condemn yes, a chant to my oh ye be now, or did no doubt I will boo. A man can Joseph Bibinya, the only ya at the mood daddy above.
That's right.
Was it Mamu time?
No more time.
The Mamu for. Now, I tell the baboon,
and no one would be boo. Who would be boonia?
That's right.
The man is the way a wake up course, or so for, would you for evangelist or apostle, would be sorry.
God has not set anybody as a judge.
Okay.
Me won't bad in defense of where I am defending the kingdom from. Okay. When you come attack, I also bring people of your level and come attack you.
Okay.
Yes.
When you are high hierarchy, I'll come and give you a message that you enjoy.
That's right.
Oban voice attack say, who be in defense? My best camera. You show level now. My power level. Be an boy be atomic in the door. Mama na be reply.
That's it.
Mama, but me ready level no. And I say no. Nipa what the bad dia channel. In pa bon say mo me kasa. Cause ebra na wutwa tro no ma mekasa me yedi nti sie na mabu asim no efie mi ense da wo de yedi
if you rank kasa
we are the rescue
yedi wo ba pe me view me oba won timi shift my attention ye di na me so me bia oto it is an okra na wo so ka che nipa the members will sit down and they assess you and the church.
That's it.
Do so ye di some first can go obi aso dem na ada and say ko to tomako for to aso pen ye di na me kan wasem nyina anwie 3 years me wi ana me the 7 atoso ye di ema shehodi me kasa sheho bro shehodi na me nyo ho adwuma fa ntoma ne kata uti shehodi ba bia be ko bia meba because this is my message of the year.
That's right.
APC church doctrine no I'm stating it emphatically. You changing no. You see here evangelical work.
Simple.
You trust them said they not port chura koma Koronto asafo.
Okay.
So APC na unim say Rev Obofour the okabra bom asam okutufo we say no ya sound the bia be kan say you full evangelism.
That's right.
Evangelical work you would team to say Jehovah Witness.
That's it.
I yes your message your person ni party say what you say na ba.
Okay.
Oba be kaso ye nyame Bible asha no nkoma to order dada why dada for timuwe ni ye it will come with a message in defense and nobody can stop it.
That's right.
But this is how now I preach.
That's right.
I'm not talking, I'm preaching. Jehovah, 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 Jehovah,
Jesus.
Jehovah.
Yes, Lord.
This is my preaching, my teachings, my everything now.
Preach on.